upper and lowercase e and f. Make sure that pencil is sharpened. You're in a comfortable place to write. I'm going to angle my papers just a little bit. Here we go. Starting at the top, big line down, back up, little line, little line, little line. Big line down, little line, little line, little line. Now you can see this middle little line is just slightly shorter than the top and the bottom lines on the E. It doesn't have to be exact, just an observation. Take it all the way across. Really use the top and the bottom baselines as well as that dotted line in the center to help you make your letters as similar in size as possible. Next, lowercase e. Starting here, it's a little line out and circle around. Little line out, circle around. Little line out, circle around. Take that all the way across. Again, if you need to pause this because you want to take a little more time, please do. Uppercase F, similar to the E, one less line. Starting at the top, big line down, pick up your pencil, little line, little line. Big line down, little line, little line. Again, this second line is a little bit shorter than the top one. It doesn't have to be exact. It's fun to trace, but doing this free handwriting is where you get a lot of good practice. Did you know even making straight lines or practicing circles can help with all of your letters? You could do that too. Last letter, lowercase f. Starting here, it's a little bump, big line down, pick up your pencil and cross it at the dotted line. Little bump, big line down and cross it over. Little bump, big line down and cross it over. Take that all the way across. So I do teach a number of handwriting classes, both print and cursive. I will put a link down below if that's something that you'd be interested in. We sure have a lot of fun in class. We have different themes each week as we work our way through the alphabet. But I also have some creative and fun worksheets that I offer if you would also like to do different themes while practicing your handwriting, whether it's print or cursive. Good job today. Upper and lowercase e and f.